Alright, so we got the Cybertruck getting delivered. There it is. They had to put it in a crate. This is crazy. And now I am just cutting the box open. Just try to unwrap it carefully without scratching it. There she is. Beauty. Wow. And from this point, I'm just trying to maneuver it so I can get it inside and read the manual before I get it up and running. I was just pushing it and park it nicely in my driveway, take a good look at it. Brings a smile to my face. And the battery, we charged it, and then on the manual it said inflate the tires to 25 psi, so I did that, and the battery was a good charge, and you just have to put it back and turn it on. And as we were doing the test drive with the dog, we saw an actual Cybertruck in our corner block, and I talked to the owner. He was showing me, and he was asking me more about the mini Cybertruck.